Welcome, friends, and thank you for joining me in this guided meditation for manifesting. Before we begin, I ask that you pause this video and take a moment to clarify your goal, dream, or wish that you want to focus on. When you are ready to start, just press play again. Find a place where you can sit or lie down comfortably. And let's help relax our shoulders by lifting them up and squeezing them to our ears as we inhale. Hold for a moment, and then as you exhale, drop your shoulders and gently tilt your head to the left and then to the right. Now drop your chin to your chest for just a few moments and feel a gentle stretch in your neck and spine. Raise your chin and turn your focus to other parts of your body, starting with your stomach. Pull your stomach in, squeeze those muscles, hold for a moment, and then relax. Now squeeze your buttocks together. Inhale, hold, and as you exhale, relax your muscles. Now your thighs. Contract your muscles, hold, and relax. And tighten your calves. Squeeze those muscles and release. And finally, point your toes as much as you can. And then relax. Now focus on your posture for a moment. Imagine there is a string at the top of your head, and take one hand, put it on top of your head, and imagine pulling that string straight up. And feel your back become straighter and taller and more aligned. By doing so, you are also opening your chest so that you can breathe more easily. Place your hands over your heart and thank yourself for taking this time to meditate. Drop your hands in your lap and let's try a few deep breaths in. Take a deep breath in through your nose. Hold your breath for a moment. And breathe out as if you are blowing out birthday candles. And as you begin to settle in, try another deep cleansing breath in through your nose, keeping your shoulders relaxed, letting the air fill your stomach a little more. Hold your breath for a moment before blowing out the birthday candles again. And one more deep breath in through your nose, feeling the air fill your body. And breathe out, blowing out the candles one more time. Now allow your breath to return to its natural rhythm. And take some time to focus on how the air feels as you breathe in and out. Feel how your lungs inflate and expand as you breathe in. Notice how your body moves as you breathe out. And take a moment to enjoy being still and focusing solely on your breathing. Allow your goal to come into your thoughts again. name it in your mind. Take some time imagining, visualizing the outcome of this goal or dream. What does that look like to you? Where are you? What is happening? Visualize your goal or dream happening as if it is already manifesting in your life at this very moment. What does it feel like? Do you feel joy, relief, love, a sense of accomplishment? By focusing on the outcome and the joyful feelings of attaining your goal, you are raising your vibrations and already attracting what you need to reach that goal or dream. Any doubts or negative thoughts that pop into your head, let them go with an exhalation of your breath. Those negative thoughts and doubts will impede your progress in achieving your dream or goal. There's no place for them here. Continue visualizing your dream or goal. Allow the good feelings from achieving wash over you and fill you with light and energy and power. Give yourself time to really feel this dream or goal happening. Feel it in your gut, in every fiber of your being. Claim your new reality with these mantras. When I change my thoughts, I change my world. While staying true to myself, I embrace growth by embracing change. By embracing change, I am shedding the negative in my life to make room for the positive. I am on a journey of self-growth and connecting to my higher self. I welcome abundance and prosperity into my life. I am grateful for all that I am receiving. When I change my thoughts, I change my world. While staying true to myself, I embrace growth by embracing change. By embracing change, I am shedding the negative in my life to make room for the positive. I am on a journey of self-growth and connecting to my higher self. I welcome abundance and prosperity into my life. I am grateful for all that I am receiving. Now give thanks to your dream or goal as if it is already happening. Inhale with gratitude and exhale back out to the world with love and joy. Now it is time to let your dream go out into the world to put the wheels into motion. Inhale and exhale. Imagine your dream forming into a bubble. See it floating in front of you. And with love and joy, let it float up and away so that it can begin to become your new reality. Smile, put a hand on your heart, and feel confident that you are on your way to making your dream or goal come true. Thank you, my friends, for joining me. Please share your dream or goal with me by sharing it in the comments below. May peace and love go with you throughout your day.